So, my dear students, let's practice one of the exercises so that you can get more idea about suffix and prefix. Okay, there are some important issues that you need to follow, and that is the structure of the sentences and how to use parts of speech, the correct parts of speech in the place. Okay, so let's start. Student life is the gold season of life. See, I have already written the answers and now I will explain it to you. That is, when you find article before the gap and there is a noun after the gap, in that case you have to use the adjective form of the given word. Okay, so the adjective form is golden here. Next sentence, this is the form period of life. Again, article, then period is the noun here. So you have to use the adjective form, formative period of life. Then this is the time of the prepare for future life. So again you see article then gap, but here there is no noun after the gap. So obviously you have to use a noun here because there is an article, and we know that articles are used just before the noun. Okay, so we are using the noun form, that is preparation. And then students are the future lead of the country. Lead, the word is lead, and see, students are the future. So here again we found an article, then future is an adjective. So the next word will be a noun. Okay, so the leaders, and again see, we have used s here because students are, you have to follow this. This is the most common mistake that we find in students' copies. They do not follow the subject. The subject is in plural, so you have to use the object noun as plural. Okay, then they should have patriot. They should have is the main verb here. When you get have, has, had as main verb, in that case you have to use noun after it. Okay, and in case of to be verbs like am, is, are, was, were, the same rule follows, that is, you have to use the noun form. And if you get possessives like my, your, our, his, her, their, in those cases also you have to use the noun form, like we believe on his dash, on his honesty, that is the noun form. Okay, the next, they should achieve quality educate. They should achieve, this is, in this case, see the structure. We know that in English the sentence structure is subject, verb, object. So subject is given and there is no article or preposition, nothing like that. So we should look for the object here, and obviously the object will be in the noun form. They should have, achieve is the verb here, then quality is the adjective here. So obviously we have to use the noun form. Okay, and build themselves as compete citizens. Again, gap and noun. So before noun there will be an adjective. Compete, competent is the adjective form. Then they should gain, know, they should gain, know, again subject, verb, object. The object will be the noun form, that is, they should gain knowledge and learn the art of behave. Again, the art of behave, article and preposition. After preposition also we usually use the noun form. Okay, so behavior, remember one thing, if the word has e or y at the end of the word, in that case we have to omit that e or y, and then we have to use the suffix. So next one is and interact. See the sentence again, learn the art of behave and interact before others. So we have used noun form here, and obviously when we are adding two words with and, we have to follow the same form for both the words. Like behavior is a noun, so we have to use the noun form of interact, and that is interaction. Okay, clear? So this is the way of answering suffix and prefix. The thing is, you have to know the suffix and prefixes, how to join, how to add, and what forms they are changing into. What is the noun form, what is the verb form, or what is the adjective form. You have to know those things. At the same time, you have to practice, you have to review the list from the books regularly, so that you don't forget the rules, and it will surely help you to understand and get good marks. And surely you have to practice, you have to follow the board questions, and at the same time you can practice from test paper. That will be more helpful. If you can practice from test papers, it will clarify your ideas, and the more you practice, the more you learn the vocabulary, which will actually help you to improve in suffix prefix. Okay, so that's all for today. Best of luck. I hope all of you are staying fine at home and maintaining all the health rules. Take care. Bye bye.